Welcome to the inside of my oven. It is not currently heating, so I read online that it's potentially the igniter, so I've got that. And I also read online sort of how to take this apart, but there's no video online, so that's why I'm making this video. And I've taken the racks out, and then the next step, I believe, is taking these rack holders out. And this drill bit does not fit, so I'm going to grab a different one. I had to remove the fan cover back there because it was covering a little lip on the bottom of this thing. And now I can pull this out. I didn't have to remove the Now that that cover's off, you can see down where the gas comes out. And this is the igniter. I turned the oven on and the igniter did not start to glow at all, so I think that is in fact the culprit. So I will try to figure out how to swap that out now. There are a couple of screws here, and there are screws on the new assembly right here. So I think if I can take those bolts out and then replace it, should be in business. The wiring for this was super hard to get to, so took this two screws out of this bottom cover panel, and by taking that out of the way, you can get to the wires that connect to the igniter in there. Through this is where the igniter is, and the wires come across and connect here. So these wires had been threaded together with this little cap, like a light fixture. And the one that I got has these on the end. So I guess I'm going to cut these off and then thread them together with these. We'll see what happens. I bought the correct connections, but for now, just to test out the new igniter, I just jammed the wires into these. Now I'm turning the oven on to see if the igniter glows and if it ignites the gas. It is glowing. And it ignites. I'm adding the connectors now.
These were still the wrong connectors, so I had to go to the store and get the ones that matched these heat resistant ones.
That didn't work at all. Attach the male one. All right. So now the wires are connected. Okay. Oh, the wire slipped out. That's not good. The oven works. I'm just going to put everything back in the way that I took it out, and then back in business. Pizza tonight.
If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Thanks.